Hey guys, this is Henry from Ghost Pirates, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to introduce some free animated subscribe templates that you can use in your videos for free. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so you don't miss any videos. Without further ado, these are the 5 best templates that you can download for free.
A quick disclaimer. If you don't like any of these templates, we've made a video on how to make your own custom animated subscribe button, which you can check out by tapping on the I button right here.
And that was it, folks. Hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more like these. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times.